In this video, I'll show you how to make your organization AI ready in just a few minutes using Accubits MCP Foundry. The future is agentic, a world where AI agents assist people and handle tasks across systems. But how do you make sure your organization is accessible to these agents? Whether it's external AI agents interacting with your products and services, or internal agents automating your operations, you need an infrastructure that's agent-friendly. That's exactly what MCP Foundry enables. With it, you can easily create MCP servers and prepare your organization for the agentic era. In this demo, I'll show you how simple it is to make your organization AI ready in minutes. Let's get started. Log into your MCP Foundry dashboard. The first step is to create tools for your MCP servers. Tools can be your internal systems, platforms, or products and services. Essentially, the interfaces AI agents will interact with to deliver value. In this demo, I'll use a hospital management system as an example. We'll create tools for its different functions, like booking appointments or checking doctor availability. With MCP Foundry, this is straightforward. You can upload your existing API definitions in multiple formats: open API files, URLs, documentation, or even a Postman collection. Let's try uploading a Postman collection. Once uploaded, MCP Foundry automatically generates tools for every API endpoint in just seconds. These tools can then be made accessible to AI agents through an MCP server. Next, let's create the MCP server for the hospital management system. Go to the Virtual Servers tab, click Add Server, give your MCP a name, and select the tools you want to include. In this case, we'll add all tools we just created. Then click Create Server. And that's it. Your MCP server for the HMS platform is ready. You can view its configuration details here. This server can now be integrated with platforms like Claude, OpenAI, or your own AI agents and LLMs. Let's take a quick look at how it works with Claude. I've already configured the MCP in Claude. Now, whenever a user asks something related to the hospital's services, Claude automatically uses the HMS tools via the MCP server we just created. As you can see, the AI agent can access information directly from the HMS, whether it's booking appointments, checking doctor schedules, or performing any available action. All of this is possible simply by creating and publishing your MCP server using MCP Foundry. And that's how, in just a few minutes, you can make your organization truly AI ready.